Hi guys, it's me again, it's Mrs. Seitz, and I have Lily with me today.
Hi.
So Lily's going to be with us today, so let's get started. First of all, Lily, come on over, don't be afraid because no one's afraid of a math monster. Let's do it! Math monster! Math monster! Math monster! Woo! It always gets me going. I love my math monster. Hey guys, how you feeling? I'm feeling good today. I feel kind of great. I did my workout because that's what's really important is to take care of myself. And I also made my goal. And my goal was to make sure I reached out to you again. Guys, so think about how you're feeling today. I love this big chart because it shows all different types of feelings. You know, suspicious. Like, what is Mrs. Seitz really going to be teaching us today? Or maybe you're feeling a little bit, I don't know. Let me pick one. Confident, because you are a mathematician. That's me. I hope I heard that. So friends, today, how you feeling? What's your goal? What are you going to do today? Think about that. Today, I'm going to tell you what you're going to do with me. You're going to get your whiteboard, and you're going to get your marker, and I'm going to ask you please to create, right here, Lily, create for me a clock. When you do your clock, remember what we've talked about. You got to put those anchor numbers in. Our anchor numbers are 12, 6, 3, and 9. So get those on your clock. Put the hours in the middle. And then remember that we put our minutes on the outside. It might help if Lily had a marker. My Lord, Mrs. Seitz, what's up with that? So friends, get that clock in. If you're not looking at the clock here and you just know it, good for you. I'm glad. So friends, today, the time I'd like you to show me on your clock is 6:40. 6:40. So I got to think about my hour hand, short and fat, and then my minute hand, which extends out 40 minutes. My friends, remember, did I even tell you if it was AM or PM? Let's see, 6:40 a.m. What would you be doing? I don't know, 6:40 a.m. I was out buying donuts for sure for Uncle Tommy today. But 6:40, let's see that on your clock. Lily's doing pretty good. Again, my new students that I'm teaching daily, sometimes I'm wondering, do they remember that that hour hand is moving slowly as well? So 6:40. All right, Lily, can I see it? Oh, here's Lily's. Let's see if we're correct. She's got that hour hand right in between that 7, and then she's got that 40. Now, Lily did not put all the minutes on the outside. Shame on Lily. But I bet if I asked her, she would remember that they move by, I hope you said, 5s. That's right. Our clock moves by 5s with our minutes. Friends, today, after you've gotten done taking care of your clock, friends, we're going to talk about comparing 3-digit numbers. That's our next goal. A couple of you already have gone ahead, and I'm fine with that. If you're going ahead with the math work and you feel confident, excellent. But friends, if you look up here, the big words are expanded notation. I hope I had some people doing that at home. Expanded form is the same as expanded notation. So friends, we know that even if the 10s and the 1s and the 100s, if we're seeing them as chunks are in different spots, they still equal the same number. Friends, in this case, if I have a 100 and I'm only adding a 1, would I put it here in the tens place? I hope not. I would put it all the way where it belongs. Look at that. Lily goes, Mrs. Seitz, I knew that. So I'd have 101. And if I was going to add 100 and I was going to add 4, would I put that 4 here? Is it 140? I hope you're nodding no. 104. That's the power of knowing the value of each digit. So today we're going to talk about that, and then I'm going to teach you a quick game at home that you can do with your parent or with your sister or your brother. You can't play with your dog, though. My dog is smart, but even Loki couldn't play this. Friends, when you're comparing 3-digit numbers, the important thing is to remember the value of those numbers. So that's why, friends, knowing how to represent a number is important. So if Mrs. Seitz was representing 376, I'm able to write it as expanded notation. That means I'm thinking I've got 3 100s, 7 10s, and 6 1s. That matters, that I get that understanding. At home, I would like you, please, to write for me the number 358. Write that number on your board, and Lily's going to do the same thing. She's going to remember 358, and I'm going to ask her to draw it for me with 100 boxes, 10 sticks, and 1s. So let's see if she can do that. I'll do it up on my board. The other number I want you to draw is this number, 729. So that's 2 numbers on your board. I'll do mine up here. See if you agree with me, and then you do it at home. Don't look if you're trying to be like all independent. I like that. Only take a quick peek if you really need to. 358. I love using my 10 frame just because I know that when I made my 8, I knew I had 2 more to the next 10. That's just how I roll. I might put a line down the middle so I have this visual, and then I'll make my other visual. We're going to compare. I'm going to erase this. Push this down. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I'm going to move that one over. Hey friends, if you are ready, you can go look at mine, unless you've been doing it with me. I see my 2 numbers. I see my 358 and my 729. That circle is saying what's going to go in there. The greater than or the less than. That's important. I know that Miss Reichert taught a couple of you about the crocodile eats the greater number. You can think like that. That's fine. If that works for you, wonderful. But I'm looking at this thinking, is 358 greater than 729? Is 358